Hello and welcome back. This is step 2, how to download RTrader Pro. What that is, the software that connects your evaluation account to the real data on the market, the exchanges, and it communicates back and forth. So this will be a real easy setup. Should only take you a few minutes. Please reference the Funded Trading Quick Start Guide, which I have pulled up here. It also walks you through how to do this. Like I said, it's real easy to do. It should take you less than 5 minutes. The first step is if you happen to have a previous version of RTrader Pro, you do want to make sure that you uninstall it. You don't want any previous versions on here when you install it. Then you want to go to your Apex welcome email, and there'll be a link on there as far as where to download the Trader Pro software. You just want to click on that. Here, I'll pull this up and I'll give you an example. You get an email, something like this. I showed this at the end of the last video. It's going to show your Rhythmic user ID and your Rhythmic password. Apex Trader Funding is going to provide that for you. And then if you just click on here, you'll see your password, you'll see your ID, and also you'll see the software link to download RTrader Pro. And then you download it like any other software, right? You just click on it, hit install, hit next, just go through the prompts. It'll say launch RTrader Pro. You need to allow it to make changes to your desktop because it's going to be a desktop program. Then when you get to the setup, there's just a couple things you want to be aware of. Number one is the user. You want to make sure that you put Apex as the user. They will give you a password. You want to put your password in. I suggest cutting it and pasting it. Make sure there's no extra spaces. You want to select Apex. And then the gateway, you want to look for the radio button and select Chicago area. When it asks about market data, you want that off because we're going to get our market data through NinjaTrader, which is the next step. That'd be the next video. So for RTrader Pro, you want market data, make sure that's off. When it asks you for selective load, that should also be off. Then click skip settings, and that'll bring you to the next screen. So basically, I just want to highlight that here because those steps are very important. So I'm going to show you where they are in the user guide right here. You click skip settings, the selective mode off, the system is Apex, the gateway Chicago area, market data off, then selective load is also off. Once you go through that, if you're a first-time user, there's going to be a couple of agreements. You need to read those agreements, accept those agreements. One is telling you trading is primarily for people that use their own money, but you with a funded account, you don't have to worry about any of your money being at risk because you're not going to have any of your money at risk in the markets. You want to select non-professional as well. So just make sure you select those properly. And then what you're going to do is after you hit login, just let the software load up. You're going to see the left side of your home screen here. You want to go where it says Dashboard Apex right here. You're going to want to go there, click on that. And then what you're going to see is a screen like this. So whether you have one account or multiple accounts, you'll see the status of your accounts, and then you'll see your current account balance, and then you'll see your auto liquidate threshold value. We'll talk about this in future videos, how to monitor that. But this is basically, these are all $300,000 accounts that I started. This is where they're at right now, and this is the auto liquidate threshold value. Quickly, what that means is as long as I don't go down and have a drawdown and lose where my account balance hits $312,470 and 20 cents, as long as I stay above that, my account's going to stay active. So on this one here, as long as I stay above 300,000, 358.04 and keep trading positively, this account's going to stay active. All right. This one here, my balance is 304,757. Right? As long as I stay above 297 of that account, I stay active. So if and when this account was to go down and hit that amount, then we call that a blown account. And then you can start over again. either by purchasing another evaluation account or just waiting for your month anniversary and then start over at that point in time. So it works out real well. If you have trouble getting set up, you can always go to Apex Trader Funding, go to their help center. They have an excellent help center. You can just type in Rhythmic Connection Guide. And then what you can do is click right here where it says Rhythmic and Ninja Connection Guide. You click on that. Here's the link. And then you'll be all set. There's also a video here that they have in their help section that walks you through this as well. It's a real easy process. It should take you less than just a handful of minutes to do this. Then the next video, we'll log into NinjaTrader, and then you're going to be all set up. Then you're going to have everything you need to start trading, and that's when it really starts to get fun. Appreciate your patience going through this step by step, and look for the next video, step number 3, logging into NinjaTrader.